Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
As a parent, I know my child needs more space to play and to learn. A school which learns him better and teaches him better, where he finds live models for love, affection and dedication, where he can nurture his individuality and be a future leader. And here's where I stand. Blessings International School, Tirukar Kundram, Chingalpet.
For admissions, contact 9688999811 8012553412 73730
Kakong Suzie Basan bad Karan kibalong ki arngot kinong peniksa nagajala Meghalaya kibalayok Khur ya Takma Ksiar haga jengele Asian Menta haga Nagaland Bodybuilding and Fitness Championship balapolong daga National Physique Committee haga ni gajeng koop kabalalong haga arpu artere uyayong arja apulai ha Holy Cross Auditorium Dimapur kakong Suzie Basan kalayok Khur ya Takma Ksiar katba Karan ulayora komu overall champion. Dakani gajing job menta kini arngot kilapan kreb hai ladi banyali menta haga rensan yakop ni doksa kabala tiap kum ke Asia largest health sports and fitness kaban salong ha New Delhi nadu ka khan riu terek hadu ka khat pra terek ubnai jellio arjar arpulai.
Ningkong ako aban ay ngu ya baro kibala support yang ki klain jonga ki bahaying bahasem ki paramarjan jonga each and everyone. I really thank all of them for supporting me and nagajing duai jungki nagajing support jungki bang lawan ra kajing job haga state de ngai ngu barokot and plus nang ni shakmat ngan hable ya khun biang haga khandre khatnyo khat pratrik ubnai jun support Delhi kani gadi ka sheru classic kabandong haujun te kandi kan kani kan khamlong kham khandiat andre ngan nganyele ting but ngan wan ra biang gajing job kumpang wan ra menta tengah kuat berokot kin buat biang kajing duai bakin support biang yang ba khnang bangan wanra kajing job haga state lejong. Experience bangi lech de chapo Nagaland te long kamlong tafi na mar bangi don on a diet ngim long bam ngim long te kam jinjaringi henry ka motive jungi bedengi la lech te bangin wan ra ka jing job tingi klen lut kita barok ka jing ya ka diet ya ke bangi kuatang bangin lech hapo stage bangin perform bangin wan ra ka jing job te hang te hapo Nagaland ru po Dimapur ka jinglakai belong kamlong tafi namar beli pachinrang berkentei dan buat bodybuilding women's bikini model women's physique tenga nga job haka women's overall women's physique te kalong tafi but still it's a very nongkumno challenging yang bangalay la kayang te tinang ni shakmat do kadang long tougher yang but still I'm not going to give up. I'll keep going and I'll give my best. thing is that like I have to keep working out man ka sngi the main thing ru ka day ka way ka diet jungi long ka diet ni have long clean diet nim long ban bam belong musli musla kini kita ki bakam long jang nim long bam ni have focus ba ka diet workout te you work out every day but the main thing is the diet dangila ban control ka diet hadu sngi ka jing la kai te nila ban yo tau so uba ngila trishtam.
It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it's...
We had an interview before also, like I told you, like it was a NPC competition, regional qualifier for Sheru Classic, and it went well because we like two of us, we went there, me and Suzie, and she won the women's physique title and I ended up winning the overall title of bodybuilding and classic physique bodybuilding. So it went well and we got qualified as well for the next event. We can choose between like there are two events which will be held. One will be in June in Delhi and the other one will be in November in Mumbai, Amateur Olympia. So right now we are deciding like should we take a longer period of time to prepare ourselves and go well prepared, or should we take an opportunity of being in the shape and just maintain it and go and play. So haven't decided yet, but then we will be playing this year, definitely. So like it was a regional competition, so since it was a regional competition, we had competitors from other states as well, like Assam, Manipur, Nagaland, of course it was there. So the competition level was quite high, like comparatively, but then, and it was a learning experience because we know that from here on, wherever we go, the competition will be much tougher, because from here on we are preparing for Sheru Classic, which is a pan-India competition. Pan-India means anybody, not just pan-India, but it's an international competition. Anybody from across the world can come and play. So you can understand that the level of competition will be of international standards. And yeah, so this was like a stepping stone which gave us the idea what we will be facing out there. So it was a good experience. We learned a lot and hope to utilize that knowledge further. Haven't decided, maybe June, maybe November. So you can just say that best of luck for whatever competition you are going to